Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl Yammi. I'm pumped, I'm excited because I'm making Dole Whip. I'm making a pineapple Dole Whip and a strawberry Dole Whip. Okay, the recipes are calling for a blender. I don't have a blender, I have a Ninja. And I don't think my cups are big enough. So, I'm going to do this in 2 steps. I'm going to blend the pineapple and pineapple juice in the Ninja. Then I got my food processor here, and I'll put the ice cream in here, and I'll blend it all together. Figured that should work. So first one I'm going to do is the pineapple, which I bought this bag, big old bag, because you need 2 cups of pineapples, and it's pineapple chunks and they're frozen, so you need 2 cups of these. Okay, step 1, I'm going to put 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Then I'm going to get 2 cups. And 2 cups of pineapple. And I'm going to make it a smoothie. Alright, here we go. Smoothie time. Alright, got to put a little bit more juice in. Alright, let's see how this works. Let's see if it's nice and smooth. Get a spoon. Yep, nice and smooth. So now we're going to take this, or my food processor, and I'm going to put in a cup of ice cream. There, that should do it. Okay, put the lid on this. All right. There, push it down. that's nice and smooth. Oh yeah, I'm gonna that's pretty good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna empty this into the bowl here, and then I'm gonna throw. All right, put that one in the freezer. There's a second recipe I found that's a little bit different. I wanted to try it, so we're gonna do 2 pineapples and 1 strawberry. So, and Boo will be our test guinea pig. He likes to do it. So I needed 4 ounces of apple juice or pineapple juice, 2 cups of frozen pineapple. Good thing I bought such a big bag. I already know from experience, I'm going to need a little bit more pineapple juice. Check that. Oh no, I still feel chunks. Go a little bit more pineapple. I think it's all. Yep. Alright, now this one calls for 2 tablespoons of sugar. A pinch of salt. And now we'll dump the pineapple in. Okay. Big chunk of ice cream right there. Alright, sneak peek. Okay, go just a little bit longer. Alright, so now that one I'm going to put in another bowl. Just enough. That's it. Now we'll put this one in the freezer too. Okay, the last part, strawberry Dole Whip. I took fresh strawberries, cleaned them, and then sliced them, and then froze them. Because you want them frozen. So again, we need, let me get my cheat sheet here. 6 ounces, we're going to go with pineapple juice. Then we're going to do, this should be 2 cups. I measured about 2 cups in here. Okay, had to maneuver those strawberries around. Okay. Woo, that's tart. Tart, but good. Now we'll go over here to the food processor. And again, more ice cream. Oops, I forgot to put the blade in. There we go. Oh, most of that ice cream was used up. And now we'll dump the strawberries in. Now this one did not call for any sugar or salt or anything. So alrighty. Dump this in this bowl. Good thing I have a big deep freezer. We'll let these sit in there and get hard. And then we'll take them out and sample them. So we'll see you as soon as we get ready to sample. Okay, here are, alright, so I finished up, I put each flavor, of course, you know, this one's the strawberry. One of these is the first pineapple without the sugar, the other one is the pineapple with sugar. So we'll taste them and see what they do. All right, boo. Taste this one first. Because I want you to compare this one and this one.
Okay.
Okay, now to go to this one.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Out of those two, which one did you like? That's the second one. That one had a little bit of sugar and a pinch of salt in it. This one didn't. I had two different recipes.
That one tastes more pineapple-y.
Mm-hmm. It does. Now, what did you think of that?
Just like that one, but with strawberries.
It needs sugar, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So, but now, how close do you think this is to the Dole Whip? At the part.
At the part?
Mm-hmm.
Which part?
Magic Kingdom.
I think it's still missing something.
It is, isn't it?
But it's definitely a cool
sensation.
little treat, yeah. And almost like it's with was it with ice cream?
Mm-hmm. Yep. There is a recipe that calls for it to go with milk. And I thought about trying that one too.
It almost reminds me of a frozen yogurt in a way.
This one, yeah. This one is refreshing and not very sweet. Not very sweet. But it's not bad.
So how much of all of this stuff you have?
Oh, there's a nice little bowl of each of them in the freezer.
Mm.
So you'll have plenty of imitation Dole Whip.
Yeah, that's fine. I wonder if I eat a lot of it, will I get a freezer burn or a head burn like I normally
Brain
do?
freeze?
Or same thing.
Yeah, you will. That you will.
Freezer burn.
All right, guys.
Actually, I'm starting to get it. I'm starting to get it now.
Think warm, hot coffee. Think warm, hot coffee. Think warm, hot coffee. There we go. There we go. Oh, I shook your eyes all around it, didn't I?
I was thinking actually hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Oh, hot chocolate. Yeah, you're not a coffee drinker, really.
Not really.
All right, guys, that was our Dole Whip experiment. I hope you enjoyed it. He's got a lot of Dole Whip to eat now.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We'll see you later. Thank you for being here, and we love you all. Bye.
Bye bye.